Well then, Codheads, welcome back. It's the 31st of January, 7:30, and the tide is just literally on the way up. I'm at Kilnsea again because I blanked last time, and the conditions look about the same, to be honest, so I don't know. It's totally blowing a gale right off the land. But it's looking a bit rough there. The tide's been on the turn, well, just about now, to be honest. So some big waves out there. We'll give it a bash. I need to get my own back. I could have gone Easington down the road, but you know, I'm going to try and get something from here. Right, let me get set up. Catch you in a bit. What a blank save that is. Right, so this is what we've got. Yeah, we've got quite a bit of a slope here that goes down to this sandy bit. It looks more mud, to be honest, to there. That's just starting to cover up now, where that was all mud when I turned up, or sand, we'll call it sand. But it's totally blowing a gale. Look at the wind blowing off the top of them waves over there. But it's off our back, so it'll help us with casting out. I've not heard any reports from me yet, to be honest. Right, I'm not casting yet. There's been no rush with it being quite shallow out there and massive waves. Right, let me sort some rigs out. I'll speak soon. Right kids, right, my first ever bass, 35 centimetres that one. That was on the loop rig as well, just on that bit of squid. I'm not sure how to hold them, to be honest. Right, let's get it back. Right, it's 8:30 and I wasn't expecting that bass. That was a fairly quick bite, was that one. It'd only been in 5 minutes. Anyway, the loop rig's back in now, so we're happy now. First ever bass. We're not going to blank. Go home happy. Right, let's see what gear we're using today then. So yeah, rods wise, we're on the Any Fish Anywhere. We've got the 6 and bait 14 foot and the GBFS Pro Mark II. I can never remember what it's bloody called. Got the Emblem Safes 45s. Both of them loaded with J-Braid Grand in the £45 and an £80 J-Braid Shock Leader. That water's rolling in nice now. Nice bit of colour to it. Yep, just using squid again. Oh, what the bloody hell's that? Oh my god, what come first? The squid or the fish? Looks like I got a bit of free fish bait there. That was one greedy squid. If that's what squid eat, I don't even know what they eat, but we'll have a look at that after. So yeah, just some nice big squid really. Just using pulley pennels again, SARS 3Os, and on the other one's a loop rig. So what I'll have done, I'll have 2 pulley pennels set up and the loop rig. So I'll just keep swapping about. So the loop rig is just for a scratching rig, trying not to blank, to be honest. And it's worked. Right, I've not had a cup of tea yet, I'm gasping. A bit dark over there coming. But we're waterproof, so we're not bothered. Right, cup of time. all my gear. Right, let's get a leader tied on. I use a back-to-back grinner, or back-to-back uni knot in sea fishing terms. Bloody gale. Right. Now then, 20 past 10, no more fish. The wind is a right proper pain it is, you can hardly stand up in it. Apart from the wind, it's a lovely day. The waves are calming down a bit out there as well, now we've got a bit of depth. Saying that, some big ones will come along now and again. Looks like somebody else has come, set up over there. Yeah, that right one bouncing quite a bit because I've had to cast a bit to the right on that one, because the left one where I got bust off, it did the same again, but I managed to get it back. So I don't want to cast to the left at all really. Look at that, boing. The weed ain't so bad, by the way, if you want to come tomorrow or whatever. Time. See you in a bit. Right kids, it's 10 to 1. I'm just having a rebait. I've got myself a little whitey. But that's not it. Whoops. On the other rod, got myself a little cod. Little fat belly on that. Whoa. So we'll get these back, and maybe they're going to be feeding now. It's a bit hard with this wind. Didn't see the bites. Right, let's get them back. Now then, it's 2 o'clock. Tides have been going down about half an hour now. So that's where it's come to, if you want to know. Not a very big tide. So I think what I'll do, I might give it another half hour. Give these another 10 minutes, get some fresh bait on. Then give them 20 minutes or so. Get back, miss all the traffic and that. Have a go under the moon in a couple of days. Don't know where like. I've not been to Albury yet this year. or this season, should I say. We'll see what it's like for rain and that. But last time I went fishing under the moon, we did alright at Hornsea. Just won't mind trying somewhere a bit different. Got a match on Saturday at Kilnsea. So yeah, I'll try and get a session before that. Right, I'll have the last of my tea. Then I'll rebait these. You watch, I'll have the last of my tea, then they'll start biting. Right, catch you in a bit. Right kids, that's your lot. My last rod that I brought in was bloody snagged up on it, so I lost all my gear on that one. But I tied a leader on now to save me when I come back. So yeah, so at least we didn't blank, that was the main thing. Fish weren't very big, but don't look as if anybody else has caught anything, because one or two have turned up. Actually, one of them said he's had a little cod, but it was about 4 inches long. So does that count? Saves a blank, doesn't it? But the worst thing is for me though, I've hurt my knee, and I've been suffering with my knee for about 10 months now, and my bleeding bucket thing went to roll into the water, and I went chasing after it, and it's bloody gone again. But at least I can walk on it this time. But I might have to consider giving all this sea fishing lark up because of that. Can't go doing it. But when it went, actually last time it went was 2 days before the Euros, and I just sat on my box for 2 hours not being able to move. Then some guys turned up and they helped me off, like. So it can be a bit, you know, dangerous. So I'll have to have a think about it. Right then, speak to you later. See you again.